Boys and girls, have you ever noticed when you're out in the field at recess that we have grass on the ground, but we have lots of different kinds of plants too? These are all wild grasses and wild flowers that have spread out all over our playground field. And if you look closely, they're very different from each other, but they're living together. In this little patch right here, we have a buttercup. Sometimes you'll see them on the side of the road. Isn't that pretty? And its plant has these spiky leaves. We also have a lot of ground cover right now that are like this. They almost look like succulents, which are cacti without spikes. And these are lighter blue, and they are spreading all over our field right now. These are kind of delicate, and after a while, when it gets really hot, they may die back and the tall grasses will take over. Then look at this plant and the flowers it's making. That's a totally different shape than the buttercup. It almost looks like its tongue is sticking out. That's beautiful. Those are white. And then when they get older, you see here's the same plant, but the little petals of the, not the petals, the little parts of the flower are turning pink now. So they start out white and then they turn pink. And then over here across the field is a different buttercup. And this one is yellow. That's the same kind of plant. It has the same kind of leaves, but this buttercup plant has yellow flowers, just like our dianthus had different colors. Over time on our field, different plants like to come out when it's different kinds of weather, when it's a different temperature, when we have different amounts of rain, and sometimes they'll be tall and spiky, and sometimes, like now in early spring, we have this really short light blue ground cover. You'll have to pay attention when you go to recess and see how they change over time.